Hello and welcome to this edition of Goa 365's Face to Face. With me is the Goa State Coordinator of ADR, or the Association for Democratic Reforms as it is known. This is a body which looks into various aspects of the elections, especially candidates, their information, how rich they are, what are their criminal antecedents, how good they are, how bad they are, and it gives the electorate a chance to give a very studied and well-informed decision when they go to press that final button. Welcome, Mr. Bhaskar Asorlekar. Welcome to our show.
Thank you for welcoming me.
So, a lot of people talk about various issues during elections. I want to know how this Association for Democratic Reform, so ADR, actually came into being. What was the reason you all felt and why it came? Let us form this base and then we'll move forward, especially with the Bihar elections, huge elections coming up.
See, it all happened sometimes in 1997, 98. We, the students of IIM Ahmedabad, I'm one of the graduates from IIM Ahmedabad. So we, the students and the professors, the ex-students and the professors, felt that the things are not going well for the country. So we felt that why should we not have, and because the whole thing starts with the winners, the people who represent us in this thing, which means it starts with the candidates. Candidates, nominated by the political parties, candidates who are standing independently for the elections. तांचे कितें तरी खबर आसपाक जाय, कांयच खबर नासता, इलेक्शनाचें हें करता आनी डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द मनी स्ट्रेंथ आनी मसल पावर ते प्रोपागंडा करताले, हें करताले, लोकांक पयशे वाडटाले आनी द थिंग्स वर हॅपनिंग एंड देन द पीपल वूड जस्ट गो वोट एंड देन कम बॅक एंड देन समवन वूड गेट इलेक्टेड. नो वन नो तो कोण बाबा मनीस म्हणटा तो. And especially if he was, representing a political party, the people used to normally vote for political party.
For the party, not for the candidate.
Not for the candidates. Now, we thought that we have every right as Indian citizens, as voters, to know who is my candidate so that I can have an informed choice. मुझे constituency 500 जाण जर आसा जायत जाल्यार बाबा तातूंतलो कोण बरो म्हणटा तें हांवें कशें डिसायड करपाचें. So we sort of filed a PIL in Delhi High Court. This was in 1997.
Okay.
After deliberations in Delhi High Court. And that's where we had to form an association. Now, Delhi High Court, after a lot of deliberations and this is a great idea. We should have this information. Why not? So they said they gave it in our favor. Verdict. Government of India went to Supreme Court saying that personal information Supreme Court said no. I mean, this is something which they are not asking for your this thing. Baba Munis phone, they should have an informed choice. Supreme Court also gave verdict in our favor. After that, in 2002, they gave a directive to ECI, Election Commission of India, कि बाबा तुम्ही एक affidavit sign करून घेयात from every candidate when they file the nomination papers for election. Affidavit sign करून घेयात, and these three things should be very clear. And तेंच्यात न्हू, तेंचे फॅमिलीचें कोण बायल भुरगीं कोणाची कितें प्रॉपर्टी आहा ती, तेजें एज्युकेशन कितें, बायलेचें एज्युकेशन, पॅन नंबर कितें, आधार कार्ड कितें, आनी क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड. ते क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड सारके डिटेलान घालपाचें, अंडर वीच सेक्शन यू आर दिस थिंग, convicted or not convicted, whatever. Okay, and over the period of time, it got refined, and they gave a directive to ECI that this information should be made public. So since 2002, we have been getting this information, and in Delhi we have an office, ADR, and we have the software to generate the data which we have been able to get it to you.
Okay, so you started off from there. Now to move on a little bit, the Bihar elections are just up. The election commission has just announced the full, how many phases, how many candidates, this total ata yela. So at the Bihar, I don't know, I would like to know from you. We hear a lot about Bihar and the way elections have been fought earlier, maybe now with Nitish Kumar, whatever, things have changed. So now we would like you to get into the Bihar elections first, because that's where it's going to, the electioneering is that it's going to restart now again.
Barabar, yeah.
Especially now, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, I'll tell you
Yes.
what. I'll tell you what, Glenn. See, what is happening is, see, I'll put both the sides. See, we normally, especially in a place like Goa, I'm kind of Bihari, because we have some a particular sort of this thing about Bihar or
Mindset,
Bihari
yes. Mm.
mindset. It may be partly true, but it will come as a big surprise to many Goans that the largest number of IAS, IPS, IRS, IFS in UPSC are first from Andhra, second from Bihar, and third from UP, and fourth from Maharashtra. So these are the kind of ranks. So to say that all Biharis are like that would not be very fair to
Is
Biharis.
wrong. Yes.
Yeah. So coming back to the this particular theme, see, there's a saying in Hindi, "Hammam mein sab nange hote hain." In a steam bath or sauna bath, many people don't really wear this thing. But that's what it is. Whether it is Goa, whether it's Parliament, whether it's any assembly out of 28 states that we have, and 9 Union territories,
Yeah.
everywhere the situation is almost the same. The extent differs. Let's be clear. Muscle
Okay.
power and money power wins.
So
For
basically,
sure.
you're saying, yeah, okay. Let me just put it. Now you're saying a state like Goa, which is supposed to be progressive, better. I don't know. In many ways, I know that's what everybody says. And a place, a huge behemoth, a huge state like Bihar, which you're saying the
Yeah.
criteria for winning and losing is the same.
Almost the same except for the extent. It's the extent which differs, or the extent to which it happens in Bihar or UP, especially the eastern UP, and some other parts. The muscle power and money power plays a major role. In
Okay.
Goa, it could be less. Bihar is going to elections. Sometimes I think one is it's in 3 phases in the first place.
Yes.
And you require phases not only because of the size of the state and the number of constituencies, but also because of the ECI, Election Commission of India, decides which is the red constituency. Red constituency म्हणजे कितें हैं? More than 3 जर बरे क्रिमिनल आसत न्ही आसतात म्हणजे व्हडले मर्डर बिडर करपी त्या जाग्याचेर मरे सारकें चड फोकस मारपाक पडटा. कळ्ळें तुका? So ताका लागून they hold it in number of phases. Like if you go to UP, it will be in 7 phases. Bihar are 3 asat. 3 phases. The first phase I think is on 28th of October. Slide. I'll show you the entire sequence. Here is the calendar which shows the dates of polls. The whole sequence of this thing. And the first phase will be for 71 constituencies, which is a row right on the top. The second phase is for 94. Third phase is for 78. So यहाँ आसात आणि date of poll is 28 October, means this month, 3rd of November and 7th of November, and date of counting is 10th of November.
10th. Okay.
10th of
Okay.
November, and the entire election has to be completed. The process has to be completed by 12th of November. The entire election is for 243 seats.
Okay.
आता I'll show you very interesting thing of 2015 assembly पळय आशिल्ली 5 वर्सांनी इलेक्शन न्ही ती. So 2015 जी पळय assembly आशिल्ली which had 243 seats, तातूंतले 240 सद्याक MLA आसात, बाकीचे 3 जाण vacant.
Okay.
दुसरी
Okay.
स्लाइड जर दाखयत न्ही, then I will show you. हातूंत out of 243 seat vacant आहात, see the number of criminals. 136 right at the top left. 136 out of 243, 57% are criminals. And I'll explain to you what
Wow.
is criminal. The second one is 94, which is 39%, close to, 2/5. Serious crimes, why I have separated crimes and serious crimes? The crime,
Yes.
general, बारीक कितें. Serious crimes, it involves rape, attempt to murder, criminal assault, molestation, loss to exchequer म्हणजे कितें गव्हर्मेंटाक कितें नुकसान केलां मोठें.
Corruption. Basically.
करप्शन ऑफकोर्स करप्शन मागीर कितें तरी केलें आनी गव्हर्मेंटाचें मोठें लॉस जालें और एनफोर्समेंट डिरेक्टरेट म्हणजे कितें तरी भानगड केल्या एनफोर्समेंट डिरेक्टरेट वा येता तसलें फॉरेन एक्सचेंजाक कितें तरी प्रॉब्लेम केला. दोज आर क्रिमिनल सिरियस क्रायम्स.
But that's
Kitle हात
39, almost 40%.
40% serious this thing in the assembly.
Yes.
आता करोडपती कितले 160, which is 2/3, 67%.
70. Almost
आता
70%.
आणि सकयल मरे हांवें दिल्या तुका पार्टी वायज म्हणजे तुका आमकां दिसत कितें सो एंड सो पार्टी इज होलियर दॅन द अदर पार्टी. ना, अशें कांयच ना. अक्रॉस ऑल पार्टीज ऍक्टर्स आता ते 100% जे पयले आसात पळय, दोन आहा पळय, दे आर ऑल दीज LJP, CPI बा ते. फोर्थ आनी फिफ्थ आर ऑल दीज BJP and Congress and JDU, RJD ते सगळे. So you can imagine the level of crime. So आणि कितें आसा हातून, see whether it is Bihar or Goa, इतले percent म्हणजे 40% Biharis cannot be the ones with serious crimes on their head. म्हणजे हे पळय MLA आहा, they are not true representatives of the population. असो तेजो meaning जालो ना.
Absolutely true. Obviously, it's 40% is huge.
Huge न्ही. आता त्याचे पॉप्युलेशन कितले 8 करोड काय कितें, 8 करोड 3.2 करोड सिरियस क्रिमीचे लोक आसतले बिहाराक लागून जाल्यार ना.
Anywhere.
So what happens, that means my first this thing contention, that if you have money power and if you are a criminal, your chances of winning an election are high, coupled with the potent force of the label. Because a label as of a big political
Party.
I don't want to again name them because I belong to ADL. So talking about one party versus other, that's not my job here.
Correct, absolutely.
But if you have that tag, then tag tuka shiripota to win the election. It helps you.
So this just, I don't know if you have the figures now. Most of these just slightly just diverting, I don't know if you have, so but I just want to know now, for example, this a person to become a politician, either he has to have some serious criminal record and money. So now, is it possible that political parties, again I am not naming names, the political parties choose these people who have this on the, we hear before elections, we hear winnability criteria. Are these the winnability criteria, or is it that you're a good person, you're going to do some work for the community, or are these the winnability criteria? Is this ultimately winnability criteria?
No, see, पयलीं कशें आसतालें, let's understand. I mean, if you are okay with, I'll just take and digress from this thing and take you to 1952, the first Lok Sabha election. The first Lok Sabha election was in 1952. Then 1957 and कशें आशिल्लें, most of those who contested elections, this is what it is. Maybe, but most of the candidates कशें आसलें, तांकां, they were freedom fighters. Straight away after India's independence, they came into the political system.
Politics, correct.
Gandhi सांगलोलें बाबा तें Congress सगळें dissolve कराय political party, and then you fight as independent. If you go to see the Constitution of India, थंय मरे in electionाचे ह्या पळय, थंय political party म्हणटा तो state wordच ना, म्हणजे that phrase itself is not there. They talk about a candidate contesting election. If he gets the highest number of votes in that constituency, he is the winner.
First past the post. First past the post.
So, but it's a candidate. Political party म्हणटा तो conceptच नाशिल्लो पयलो. Okay? So, the thing today is, आता कितें जाला problem म्हणजे कितें? Winnability is the criteria. Winnability at all cost. What you said.
Absolutely. This is the one. At all costs.
म्हणजे पयलीं कशें आशिल्लें ड्युरिंग 52-57 बा तेणें त्या गांवांत काम केलां, और आखांताचो खोडेगांव सारको फ्रिडम फायटर, ताणें व्हडलें काम केलां आनी कास्तीक काडल्या खूब, जेलांत आसलेलो आनी कितें जालें ताका मार पडला, तेजी फॅमिली काबार जाली, ताका इलेक्ट करताले. आतां तशें ना. आतां कितें जालां, अरे ही 543 सीट्स, इवन लोकसभा 543 सीट्स, तातूंतले म्हाका 270 मेळपाक जाय, और 272 टू विन. 272 म्हाका मेळपाक हांवें कितें करूंक जाय? एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी. And I'm not talking about any political party here. Again, I'm coming back to the same thing. But the whole approach is like that.
Can you show this in the Lok Sabha with figures and fact? Do you have anything on that?
I do have. What I'll do is I'll show you. See, I normally like to support with figures. That's what we do in ADR.
Best way.
Okay. Yes. So I have the Lok Sabha figures. If I can have the next slide, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And फाटली मरे तीनच इलेक्शनां घेवया आमी लोकसभाची, 2009, 2014, 2019 तीन इलेक्शनां जालीं न्ही. तर हे बार डायग्राम आहा पळय, तो ब्लू म्हणल्यार हें कितें, तो बार इन 2009, and 2014 and 2019 number of candidates तांचे क्रिमिनल कितले पर्सेंटेज हांव फक्त पर्सेंटेजीस घेतल्या कित्याक ते 5,000 6,000 कॅन्डिडेट असतात फॉर 543 सीट इन 2009 ओके पूण जे पळय जिखून आयले इन 2009 they were 30% criminals winners okay तुका कळ्ळें न्ही what is the difference in all the candidates some 2,000 3,000 5,000 candidates आसलेले पळय तातूंत फकत 14% were criminals पूण जेन्ना जिखले पळय
means seats were given to 14%. Oh, they became candidates of
candidates पूण तातूंतले जिखले कितले 30%. So the final tally of 543 तातूंत 30% were criminals. So if you have a crime, your chances are better. अशें जालें ना तर Can I
Could
have
you
the
see that
slide
slide again, please? Yeah,
please.
thanks.
Yeah. Now you
Yeah.
go to 2014, 5 वर्सांनी कितें जालें तें चोवया. ते 14% पळय आशिल्ले कॅन्डिडेट ते 17% जाले. म्हणजे इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट करपाचे पयलींच सोत्रा. ओके जिखले कितले 34%. सो 30 वयल्यान 34 आयले पार्लमेंटान वर क्रिमिनल्स. ओके 2019 येवया म्हणजे करंट लास्ट इयर्स पार्लमेंटरी इलेक्शन आनी आतां पळय कितले जाले ते कॅन्डिडेट्स कितले आसलेले 19% आनी जिखले कितले 44%. सो 44% ऑफ लोकसभा मेंबर्स टुडे आउट ऑफ 543 आर 542 काय कितले आहा एकटे इलेक्शन जावं ना कितें तरी हें आहा. सो 44% आर क्रिमिनल्स. Can I have the next one? Next slide. That will show you something extraordinarily in this thing. Look into this. हे मरे serious crime. Serious crime म्हणजे कितें तो येदोळ सांगला तशें रेप, attempt to murder, extortion, कितें loss to exchequer etc. पळय कितले आहा ते 2009 कितले आशिल्ले पळय 14 कितले पळय 19 पळय 16% आशिल्ले विनर्स 2009 ते आतां 30%.
Doubled.
30% are people with serious crimes in Lok Sabha. म्हणजे कितें जालें? Over the years, there is a degeneracy. That means we have started losing the core value of a winner, of our own parliamentary member. Criminals, serious crimes जे आसात पळय ते वाडत आसात. And this should be a concern, cause of concern for every individual voter across the country.
But Dr. let me just interrupt you here. Now the funny part is over the years, maybe 14, 19, the election commission has been taking more trouble. Information is being given by y'all, ADR and variety of other things. The Supreme Court has supported y'all and it says no, you give this information to the people. EC is ensuring that booth capturing and XYZ is become less. The phases are being staggered. Everything is moving at least from the machinery side, the government machinery side, and the information being given to the people is much more than what it was in 70s, 80s, 90s. But then ultimately, don't you think that the people are choosing these type of people? You think they want criminals? Our electorate looks like? What does it look like?
I'll tell you what it is. See, it's a mix of so many factors. When we analyze the whole thing. तुका जर गोंयचें दाखयत न्ही
can we see Goa? Yes.
And then I'll come to the conclusion.
Okay. Can we see Goa? Clive, please. Yeah, thanks. The slide, please.
गोंयचें पळयता कितें गोंयचें मरे इज नॉट मच डिफरंट एज आय सेड इज ओनली द एक्सटेंट वीच इज डिफरंट एंड आय टेल यू वॉट आतां गोंयांत मरे हांव फकत 3च इलेक्शनां कित्याक घेतल्या जाणा मरे पयलींची जर घेत न्ही आनी कन्फ्युजन जातलें फक्त 3 दाखयता तुका टू हायलायट द होल थिंग सी द ब्युटी ऑफ इट एक्झॅक्टली लायक दिस न्ही आनी हे आमचे कॅन्डिडेट कितले आसलेले 2007 सांगता तुका 164 ओके 2012 212 काय घेतले 2017 250 आय रिमेंबर ऑफ हँड द फिगर्स ओके सो दे ब्लू हें आहा पळय 18% वेर क्रिमिनल्स पळय 2007 मागीर 17 जाले मागीर 15 जाले सो इट इज अ डिक्रिजींग ट्रेंड पूण विनर्स आहा पळय They are more than the number of candidates criminal ashile te. 23% are in 2007, 30% in this, and 23% in 2017. So 40 23% म्हणल्यार almost 9 out of 40 are our criminals in Goa. Next slide दाखय म्हाका. म्हळ्यार कितें जालें, हे क्रिमिनल जाले. आतां सिरियस क्रायम्साचे कितले आहा ते हांवें तुका आतां हांगा दाखोवना, स्लायड हांवें करूंक ना. पूण in Goa Assembly today, as of today, till maybe yesterday, there are 7 out of 40 with serious crimes. 7 out of 40 across all political parties.
Okay.
There is no hesitation because we have the facts and figures. Except with current, shop floor crossing we couldn't down over the last 2 years. MGP so कोण ना, with that party MGP, yeah. I think even the MLAs of MGP is just one or whatever, one or
Two.
So त्याचे भितर serious crimes आचो कोण ना. But all other parties, including independent, I'll tell you, independent, NCP, Congress, BJP, Goa Forward Party, all 5 parties have people, MLAs with serious crimes. Okay? To get more information, because I don't want to get into the names and all, that is not fair on my part. But okay, this is in public domain. It's not something which is very personal. It is in public domain. You can refer to www.myneta, MYNETA, myneta, neta means politician, myneta.info, info, www.myneta.info. ह्या सायटीचेर वचून गोंयचेर जर क्लिक करीत म्हजें नांव बाय येतलें, and then you can see all the other details of all the 40 winners and the candidates also. Now, coming back to your this thing. जेन्ना पळय तुमी क्वेश्चन विचारिल्लो पळय, बाबा लोक हे क्रिमिनलांकूच कित्याक हें करतात. ना, आतां तूं गोंयांतूच पळोवया आमी. गोंयांत when we vote, आणि आमी we consider ourselves to be highly educated vis-a-vis Bihar or UP. म्हणून तुजो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चनाक आमी just answering now.
Yes, absolutely, yes, we do.
We consider ourselves to be highly educated, one of the highest, after Kerala or maybe at par with Kerala in terms of percentage literacy, 90%. When we vote, what do? We vote for a person, muge kaam kon kotolo. Out of 5-6 candidates, muge chadya job kon ditlo governmentan. Na जाल्यार मुगे काम हें कशें जातलें, म्हाका हें जाय, कितें लायसन्स जाय, नाजाल्यार म्हाका कन्वर्शन जाय, मुगे एग्रीकल्चरल प्लॉट आहा तेका हें करपाक, कितें विकपा मागीर एज ए दिस थिंग, वॉट एवर यू कॉल इट, कन्वर्शन करून. So these are the kind of criteria which people are using in Goa, which means the welfare of Goa comes last. आज आमी वोटिंग करतना गोंयचे बद्दल विचारूच करनात. And same holds good for parliamentary election also. इंडियेचें जर तुवें हें करीत न्ही, चिंतीत न्ही, जाल्यार हें सिच्युएशन अशें जावचें ना. गोंयचें जर चिंतत न्ही, जाल्यार इतले आमचे क्रिमिनल अशें ना. Why we are little against criminal as ADR is? Criminal म्हणजे कोण? Who believes in breaking law. He has broken law, that's why he is a criminal. Now the one who breaks the law, can you appoint him to make a law for you?
Make a law. It doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense.
मातशें सारकें डायजेस्ट जायना सारकें.
But I don't know, maybe the majority of the people of Goa in India don't agree with you,
Maybe,
Mr. Soldier.
very possible. No, maybe it is for sure. It is for certain.
I didn't want to say it, good you said it.
No, it is not an offense for me personally at all. We are only trying to highlight. आता मी कोर्टात कितें जाणा मरे, गोंयांत बाय आमी कोन्नात तें. पूण इवन इन अदर स्टेट लायक महाराष्ट्रा, इवन पोलिंग बुथाचेर आमी मारतात कोणाचे कितें त्या पोलिंग बुथा पळय कोण कोण कॅन्डिडेट आहा, कोण कितलो क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड आहा, तें तांबडें टायप बिमान धाडटात. कोणाक पडलां तें 95% ऑफ द पीपल आर ऑलरेडी pre-fixed in their mind कोणाक वोट करपाचें तें. गोंयांत सुद्दां
Is it because party basis people just go and look at the party and vote?
Party मरे, see there are 2-3 things. Party म्हाका दिसता पयली पॅरोकियालिझम म्हणजे आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू गेट इन टू इट कम्युनल मातशें थोडें विशयेर बी जाता एक फाटी आमी वी ऑल आर आमी उलोवपाक जायना पूण ए साश्टीकार वील वोट इन अ डिफरंट वे फ्रॉम ए गाय फ्रॉम पोंदा
correct.
or हें कितें फोण्या मडकय प्रियोल यू नो वॉट आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट
Yes.
So it would be a little different. So हे दुसरें जालें. तिसरें म्हजें काम कोण करतलो?
Most
म्हाका-
important thing you feel?
म्हाका फेस्ताक नाजाल्यार चवथ नाजाल्यार कितें आसलें जाल्यार आमकां पयशे आनी हें कितें ग्रेन्स फूड ग्रेन प्रोविजन कोण दितलो? पोटली हाडून घरा कडेन पावयतलो कोण? It's literally happening that way. And since there is a demand from the voters, the politicians who are planning to contest the elections do that and meet those requirements. They work exactly on those weak points of those voters. हें एक जालें. आतां on the day of election or just a day before that, it's a public secret. Good old days, people were saying की ना कोण 500 रुपये दितात बी म्हणून. Some आतां कोण म्हणटा 2000 per vote, etc. These are all loose talks. But what is 500 रुपया for a vote for 5 years?
Of course.
Mathematically, it is 27 पैसे per day.
But
27 पैसे तुवें जर तुजो न्यूजपेपर पळयता रे तो जर दुसऱ्या दिसा रद्दी म्हणून जर विकलो जाय वेट बेजीस जाल्यार तुका 27 पैसे मेळटले.
माहीत पडलें जाय.
But people accept that and vote न्ही. It's such an unfortunate situation, and
Yeah.
many
Sir.
politicians have their pockets called vote banks
Yeah.
in certain localities. In a place like Goa, where there's a constituency itself is 20,000 or 25,000 votes. 4-5 हजारांची जर तुझे जर वोट बँक असत, you are a winner.
तुझी
all the
क्ल-
time.
Sir,
Ah.
it's been we have completely run out of time.
I know.
It's been it's something that we knew, but it's nice when it's put openly with facts and figures. And I think Goans first, and possibly in the rest of India, especially the educated, the upwardly mobile, the Western forward-looking. I'm not saying Western, but the forward-looking people. It's for them to ultimately reflect and decide where they want the state, their state, and the country to go. Because otherwise, you cannot just sit in the restaurants and bars and criticize the politicians, because I think we are responsible for the MLAs, for the government, because ultimately they have replaced the Rajas and the kings of your. Sir,
Yeah.
thank you very much and keep watching Goa
Yeah,
365.